Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am memory planning the week of February 10th or Valentine's Day in my Erin Condren life planner. This is a spread that obviously is from over a month ago, and I think I filmed it and did this whole thing way back when, on time. I just kind of let the editing and the voiceover part get away from me. I think I've mentioned it before, but I absolutely love doing planner stuff and playing in my planner and filming in my planner, but I really don't like editing. I just have I don't find it enjoyable. I feel like I'm at the computer all day for work, and then to come home and then have to sit at a computer and do more computer stuff. This is just, even though it's kind of just mindless busy work, I don't enjoy it. So that's kind of, I think, where I got a little bit behind. But as I mentioned in my last video, I have some more time now with being on lockdown. I am in the California Bay Area, and we are on a mandated shelter in place. So we pretty much can't leave our house except for essential stuff like getting groceries or going to a pharmacy or anything like that. I'm trying really hard though to literally not leave my house or see anybody or do anything unless I am getting food because I think it's really important to kind of do my part in that way. I'm pretty young. I'm in my 20s and I'm relatively, healthy and whatever, but I recognize that there's plenty of people around me who are not. So just kind of trying to do my part that way. It's been really interesting. I'm sure the last thing, if you're watching this video, is the last thing you want to hear about is more stuff about the virus, but really what else is there to talk about? When I get into the day by day, I'll talk about my week this week, which was fun and exciting, and I did lots of fun stuff. But right now I'm kind of I was sitting here right before I did this video trying to figure out how long have I been home doing this shelter in place. I think it's been about a week and a half. I went to work on, I think today's Wednesday. Literally all of my days are starting to blur together. It's actually kind of scary. But I think my last day of work I think today is Wednesday, March 25th. I think, is it Wednesday? I don't know. Wednesday, March 25th. And I think that my last day at work was, in my office, was March 12th. So I think I started working from home on March 13th, Friday the 13th. So yeah, I've just been, I don't know, everything's starting to blur together, and I'm what's going on? It's so funny because I'm one of those millennials who feels I'm so burnt out. I work so hard and I try to do so much social stuff, and I try to do an Instagram account, and I have such, I spend so much time with my family and try to do everything I can with my family, and I had my wedding last year and all this stuff. And if you would have asked me before this happened, what do you want most in your life right now? I would have said just a couple weeks at home where I don't have responsibilities to do anything. And now that's kind of happening, and it's terrifying, and I hate it. I don't feel any less burnt out. My job has kind of come to a standstill right now. So I'm in this really weird spot where I know once it picks up, it's going to be awful and really busy and whatever. And I worry, I'm like anybody else, I worry about the economy collapsing and not having a job when all of this is done. But anyways, okay, I'll start talking about the day by day, and then I'm sure I'll talk more about what's going on in my life with all the coronavirus stuff in future videos, because I am going to try and get a bunch out. So this week I did use a kit from Pandabird Design that I love. I have been holding on to it since last year, and I'm really excited that I finally used it. This spread turned out so foily and lovely, and I love the Valentine's Day it's not too Valentine's Day. So okay, let's get into the day by day. So I marked that I had 2 meetings this day with stickers from the kit. Also, pretty much every sticker I used in the base of the spread is from the kit. I don't know where I got the gold headers from. You can get them from any anybody, I really like Nedi Designs. And I think the only other thing is the February script up in the upper left-hand corner is from Rose Color Days, that monthly script up there. Okay, back into the day by day. So I marked having 2 meetings with a just a icon, like computer icon from the kit. I marked going on a coffee date with my husband. Just kind of during work, we went and got I went and got coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. And I marked that with a paper shire kind of, I think it's actually one of the fall drinks, but it just, the pink matched. And then I put a bow from Paper Blush Bar over top of it. I do have a Paper Blush Bar coupon code. I believe it's Lauren15. All my coupon codes are always down below. I marked that I did laundry this day with some washi and a script from, actually, you know what? That script I don't think is from the kit. It's just from a separate Pandabird Design sheet that you can get. And then I marked editing a video with a Station Stickers kit and a Crafts by Towie laptop. And then the snowflake at the very bottom was from Honey Inked. Okay, moving on to Tuesday, I marked that I schedule uploaded a planner video and I just used some stickers from the kit. And then I also just put down my full box, and then I put the headers that I used for this week. I think this kit, if I'm remembering right, I don't think it came with headers. I think it's a really small kit, and I struggle a lot with really small kits because I don't buy a whole lot of like half box and quarter box stickers, and I like everything to kind of match and come from a kit. So I didn't struggle too hard with this one. I enjoyed using it, but I think for the headers, I had to pull in the Simply Gilded washi to use as headers, and then my own, obviously, foiled headers. Okay, I marked 2 meetings. That little flag with the foiled bow is from Paper Blush Bar, and then I marked that I did a lot of meal prepping this night with a scallop from Pandabird Design, although not from the kit, and then that little mixer is from Paper Blush Bar. And then the little kind of heart divider is from Rose Color Days. And then I just marked doing a voiceover with a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. And then that to-do script is actually from the kit. That was a lot. I felt like that was a lot to get out. What was I going to say about Pandabird Design, if you're interested, is going to be a part of one of those like group sales. I can't remember what this one upcoming is. I think it's April 3rd through the 7th, if I'm remembering correctly, but she's offering 30% off during that sale. So if you're interested in any of her stuff, I use a lot of her scallops and her laptop curls, and I don't know if this kit's still available. She doesn't have a ton of kits, but she is going to have a sale in the near future. Okay, moving on to Wednesday, I marked my meetings with a scallop from Pandabird Design, again, not from the kit, and then that little bow overlay was from Paper Blush Bar. I marked uploading my plan with me with a quarter box from My Newest Addiction, and then that pen is from the kit. And then I marked cooking this day with a, I don't know if you can call it a half box. It's kind of bigger than a half box, but that sticker is from the kit, and then the mixer is from Paper Blush Bar. And then I am putting down, I'm putting down the full box and the header. Okay, there we go. I'm like watching myself struggle with that. It's kind of painful. And then I am about to mark that I worked late this evening, which is why I didn't get a whole lot done when I got home, except for I probably uploaded the plan with me, or the plan with me went live in the morning, and then I just probably cooked when I got home, which is funny because I meal prepped the day before, so I don't know why I had to cook that evening. Maybe, who knows? I don't remember, honestly. It's been a while. Okay, so I marked working late with a laptop girl from Pandabird Design and a scallop from Pandabird Design, neither from the kit. The bow is from Paper Blush Bar, and then the divider that I put there was also from Paper Blush Bar. Okay, moving on to Thursday, I marked that I had 1 meeting this day with a scallop that actually came from the kit, a work scallop that came from the kit. Then I'm laying down my I always mix that up. Laying down my full box. And then I'm marking that my coworker and I went to Sephora this day and just did a Sephora run. I actually got a bunch of stuff this day, and I did a haul of it all. So you actually saw what I got this day already. If you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram stories, I always upload when I get a bunch of stuff from Sephora there. The little box that I put that in is from Simply Watercolor Co. And the little tiny lipstick that's so cute is from Paper Blush Bar. I also did a voiceover this evening. Both of the stickers I used, the quarter box and the pen, are from the kit. And then I marked using a scallop not from the kit and a header that was from the kit. Or it's really, I don't even know if it's header size. It's a piece of washi. That was part of the problem with this kit. I remember there was a bunch of different pieces of washi, which I really like. I don't like that a lot of shops don't include those in their mini kits anymore, but there wasn't enough of them to do any like pattern headers in this kit. I remember that now. Anyways, I went to happy hour with a different one of my coworkers who is in town. We just went and grabbed a drink after work, so I marked that. And then I also marked Steven having a really late night this night with a bow from the kit. And I want to say that he, if I'm remembering correctly, I have to check my other planner, but I think this was the night that he went out with his coworkers and he came back like hammered and I had to like put him to bed. And like, I think I was asleep and he came back and I was like, oh dear, here we go. But anyways, okay. So I'm obviously marked Valentine's Day. I actually don't like how I marked it at all. I don't think it turned out very well, but you can see I used some stickers from the kit. The hearts, one of them is, I don't know where that bottom one was, but the other one is from a Rose Color Days Nikki Plan sampler, and then the Happy Valentine's Day script is a Rose Color Days and Planner Sophisticate collaboration holiday sheet. I marked picking up a gift for Steven with a Paper Shire gift box. I don't remember where that sparkle's from. I apologize. And then I think actually it's Tasseled Planner. I marked planning in my planner, I think, with some stickers from the kit, all the script, the bobble, everything, all that's from the kit. And then I marked going on a lunch date with Steven. We went and got like chicken sandwiches, so that was fun. The fork and knife is from the kit. And then I also had a nail appointment. I went and got my nails and toes done this evening after work because I was going to go away for the weekend. The nail script is from Rose Color Days. The nail polish is from GP Sticker Studio, and the box is from My Newest Addiction. That nail appointment took forever on Valentine's Day, before Valentine's Day weekend. I was there for like 2.5 hours, but they're so nice. I don't even care. Okay, so we went and did a weekend away in Sonoma, which was really nice, which is wine country. So that was super fun. Because I think this was actually leads into President's Day. Yeah, that we had a 3-day weekend. So it was really great. I obviously made a weekend banner that was really nice with a lot of stickers from the kit, and then a My Newest Addiction box and a Rose Colored Days heart. And then I marked driving there with a square from the kit, and then a Crafts by Towie car and a Rose Color Days Nikki squiggle. And then I'm marking that we went to one of our favorite delis this day. The utensils are from Crafts by Towie. We went and did a champagne tasting at Domaine Chandon. That was really fun. The champagne bottle is from Planning World. I have a coupon code for her too. And then we kind of just did a date night that night in Sonoma. We walked around Sonoma Square, which is really cute, and I marked that with a just some stickers from the kit and a Paper Blush Bar bouquet. And then on to Sunday, we woke up early and went and had breakfast. They did like a breakfast at the inn. We stayed at an inn that was really cute that had a breakfast. Actually, the day before, I didn't write it down. They had a happy hour and we like went and did that night before too. But yeah, so that was really cute. And then we also did a wine tasting at a new to us winery that's been in that square for a while, and we really liked it. We ended up joining the wine club and we've been back since. Just marked all that with Pandabird Design stickers. After that, we did a food and wine pairing at this place called Pangloss. I used a Crafts by Towie sticker to mark that. This place was like, from the outside, it was so, or even inside too, so cute, so trendy, like gorgeous, brick walls, wood floors, just like the trendy, it was gorgeous. It was really trendy and beautiful looking, and everything just looked like really classy and delicious, but the wine was terrible, Steve. I like couldn't even finish it. It was so like that like tangy, ugh, give you a headache kind of wine. So kind of got a little hungover after that, even though I barely drank anything. So we actually just ended up coming back to the hotel and doing a happy hour. Like I said, they do like complimentary happy hour with wine and cheese and crackers and stuff. We did that at the hotel, and then we just kind of stayed in the room and ordered pizza and snuggled and whatever, had Valentine's Day kind of night. So it was a super fun weekend. I will talk more about it when I upload my next spread, because it went into President's Day, but this is the week. It turned out so foiled and so pretty, and I loved it. I really loved using this kit. I think it turned out really, really well. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys are all staying really safe and keeping everyone else around you really safe and healthy. And I hope that your spirits are staying high too, because I know that can be hard right now. But that's all for me. Thanks, everybody. Bye.